Jai Hind. Welcome to GS Nexus Current Affairs series. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the India Meteorological Department and it has completed its 150 years. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the news, highlights of the occasion, evolution of the meteorology in India, foundation of IMD, major achievements of IMD and other related information. So, let's start with why this is in news. Mission Mausam was launched on the historic occasion of 158th Foundation Day celebration of India Meteorological Department, which was held on January 14, 2025 at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Mission Mausam, an initiative aimed at transforming India into a weather-ready and climate-smart nation through advanced weather surveillance technologies, high-resolution atmospheric observations, next-generation radars, satellites, and high-performance computing systems. Highlights of the occasion are the Prime Minister also unveiled a commemorative postage stamp and coin alongside raising the IMD Vision 2047 document, which outlines a roadmap for weather resilience and climate change adaptation as India prepares to mark 100 years of independence in 2047. Celebrating 150 years of IMD reflects not just a milestone for the department but also India's commitment to harnessing science for societal progress. Now, let's know about the evolution of meteorology in India. The root of meteorology in India traces back to ancient times. Early philosophical texts like the Upanishad discuss cloud formation, rain processes, and seasonal cycles. Modern meteorology gained a scientific foundation in the 17th century with the invention of thermometer, biometer, and the formation of atmospheric gas laws. The first meteorological observatory was established in 1785 at Kolkata. Now let's discuss about the foundation of IMD. Established in 15th January 1875, IMD has been the forefront of providing critical weather and climate services, playing a vital role in disaster management, agriculture, aviation, and public safety. As the National Meteorological Service of India, IMD has been the forefront of meteorology, seismology, and allied disciplines, playing an integral role in safeguarding lives, supporting economic development, and advancing scientific research for societal benefit. IMD is headquartered in Delhi and operates hundreds of observation stations across India and Antarctica. The headquarters were removed to Simla in 1905, then to Pune in 1928, and finally to New Delhi in 1944. Regional offices are at Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Nagpur, Guwahati, and New Delhi. Now, let's have a look on major achievement of IMD. IMD services have been instrumental in mitigating the impact of natural disasters, supporting agriculture, water management, aviation, and other sectors, and contributing to the socio-economic development of India and the border regions. Some achievements are: first, pioneering weather observation; second, advances in numerical weather prediction, that is, overall forecast accuracy witnessed a 40% improvement in 2023 as compared to 2014. Expansion of Doppler weather radar network from 15 in 2014 to 39 in 2023, with land area of coverage increased by about 35% from 2014. The successful prediction of cyclones like Fani, Hudhud, Fani, Amphan, Taukate, Biparjoy, and Dana has demonstrated our capabilities and values of our services in saving lives and reducing economic losses. With the accurate cyclone warning by IMD, the number of deaths has reduced from 10,000 in 1999 to 0 in 2020-24. Third, monsoon prediction. Fourth, disaster preparedness and mitigation. Fifth, climate change monitoring. And the last, IMD has been the front runner of the development of indigenous technology, commencing with indigenous radar in 1958 and Indian satellite products in collaboration with ISRO since 1983. Automatic weather stations since 2000, Doppler weather radars since 2010, Common Alerting Protocol since 2019, Impact-based forecast since 2019, Dynamic Composite Risk Alert since 2022. Now let's see other related information. First, India's first dedicated meteorological satellite called Kalpana 1 was deactivated in September 2017. Second, INSAT 3D and INSAT 3DR are satellites launched mainly for meteorological purposes in the INSAT series. ISRO's INSAT program officially began in 1976. Third, ISRO launched a 1000 kilogram Indo-French weather observation satellite called MEGA TOPIQUEST in 2011. This was India's first major joint space project with France in the field of meteorology. The satellite was deactivated in April 2022. Fourth, INSAT 3DS satellite was used for weather forecasting in India, which was launched in 2024. Fifth is ISRO has a series called OceanSat for the purpose of oceanography and atmospheric studies. So far, 3 OceanSat Earth observation satellites have been launched, starting with OceanSat 1 in May 1999. At present, OceanSat 2 and OceanSat 3 are operational. Sixth is IMD is nodal agency to provide cyclone warning services in the country. It has a 3-tier network with cyclone warning division at Delhi, 3 area cyclone warning centers at Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata, and 4 cyclone warning centers at Bhubaneswar, Visakhapatnam, Ahmedabad and Thiruvananthapuram. Seventh is the Indian Tsunami Early Warning Center was established at Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services, Hyderabad on 15th October 2007. That's all for today. For more such videos, stay tuned with GS Nexus.